Hello guys, welcome again to the Point FS. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make above $2,000 today. Through my strategy and also analysis I did today, I was able to make above $2,000 in my trading today. So let's dive into the video so that I will show you guys how I was able to catch these pips. Okay, so as you can see my trend line, because I normally trend line is my strategy, so I always map out the trend line in order to determine the supports and also the resistance and also the S formula as well. If at all you can see from this particular section here, as you can see, this is the S formula. I was able to catch this particular pip, of which I was able to catch this particular pip through by this particular S formula, of which I drew my trend line from north to south, east to west, and I was able to catch up the particular resistance level at which the trade is moving. So, and first and foremost, let me just show you guys my history today. So this is one of the accounts I bought. This is a profile account I bought, and I was able to skyrocket this particular account above $2,337 today. So as you can see, this is my trade history today. So as you guys can see, my first position was sell. I buy, and also my last position I took was sell, of which I noticed, and this particular sell here, I noticed that from the chart here, I noticed that from psychology mindset, I noticed that this particular candlesticks and also the movement of the market was kind of bearish, and also the market has reached my psychological level, of which here, okay, let me just get it to 1 hour time frame. So let me show you guys now. I hope you guys can see it clearly now. So let me now show you guys. Okay, let me just take it to 4 hours time frame. So here exactly. So I noticed that the market has moved all the way down to this my psychological level, of which this was the initial all-time high, of which I know that probably once the market reached at this particular level, it will surely obey the market structure, of which the market was also touches this particular this is my psychological level here, which was the previous all-time high. If you guys can remember, this was the previous all-time high, of which, as you can see, the market moved all the way to the all-time high, then it now moved back and it now reversed back again, of which this is a very strong resistance level, so it cannot withstand this particular level, and it also have to obey the structure, and it moved all the way down and continue this accumulation, and also now down to this particular level again, and it also have to obey the market structure as well, so it has to reverse back. So of which you can see now that this is a 4 hours time frame, and this is a 4 hours time frame, and also the market has reached this my psychological level, and the market is now obeying the structure and is now also reversing back. So I think if you move over to the 1 minute time frame or the lower time frame, which is the 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame, you will notice that the market is moving up, of which it obeys the structure, of which you guys can see. So this, from the 1 minute time frame now, this is that particular zone of my psychological level, of that all-time high, previous all-time high. So it obeys the structure and it has to also reverse back, and it's moving upwards, of which you guys can see right now. So from the same position I took here, I noticed that the market has reached that level, and I wanted to buy, but initially I already sold. So of which I noticed a particular reverse moment, which I was able to hang out from the trade, of which I was able to make $15. So, and you guys can see that the market is still moving up, so it has obeyed this particular market structure. So of which you can see at this particular chart here, guys. So this is a simple way on how you can easily use this trend line and cash out big time. So, and also let me go back to the 4 hours time frame. So if you go back to the 4 hours time frame, so you can see it now clearly how the market is moving, which also I was able to mark out my trend line here, and also my trend line here obeys once the market, because before you determine any uptrend or downtrend movement of the market, you need to also go through the 4 hours, the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame. So at least with this particular time factor, and it will help you to determine where the market is heading to. So of which you guys can see the market, this structure obeys this my trend line, of which once the market reaches this particular trend line, it reverses back upwards, and as you can see, this is the higher low, the higher high, and the higher low. So of which you guys can see the market was obeying this particular trend line. So once it touches this my psychological level from the trend line, it reverses back, down, reverse also, then come back again. So of which you can see. So this is how it is doing. So at this particular moment, if you check at this particular level here, the market is now becoming bearish on the 4 hours time frame. It's becoming bearish. So it now moved to that my psychological level of the previous all-time high. Then it now reverses back. Definitely the market will continue selling again, but it needs to to gather the agility in order to start selling again. But because of what, this strong resistant level, it cannot penetrate this particular strong resistant level because it is very strong. But before it will pass through this strong resistant level, there must be a force attached to it. You understand? So why I didn't have to buy at this particular moment is because I am yet to confirm, because you need to first of all, have a confirmation sign that yes, the market is about to what? Sell, or is about to buy. So once you gather that confirmation, then you now strike. So this is very easy for you guys to be able to, first of all, determine, know your strategy that works for you. For me, mine is trend line, the support and the resistance level. So it works for me. So you need to know the strategy that always work for you, and you follow your strategy, and also be disciplined in your trades. So that is it. So that was how I was able to cash out big in this particular trades for the day. So which I'm done for the day, and I was able to make above $2,000. So that is it, guys. So if you know that you like what I'm doing, and also you would like to get more of what I'm doing, and also how I was able to reach up to this level, and please do well to subscribe, and I will keep on updating you guys in different ways through which you can be able to earn for yourself in the crypto, in the forex space, and many of them. So do well and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow once I kick off another trade tomorrow, and I'll also share with you guys my results, and also ways through which I'll be able to take the trade, and also even if it's lost or gain, I will also share with you guys. So do well to subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in my next video.